How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So one of the goals that I had for my car at the beginning of the year was to make it to Wekfest Seattle, but unfortunately I did not get accepted to that, but that's okay as well, because that just gives me motivation to build a better build next year, try to change it up and see if I can get accepted to that. But I also have other shows that are coming up that I will be going to as well. But in this video, I will be showing you guys how my car looks like at the car shows. And yeah, you guys see like in my other videos a little bit, but I'm going to take you guys a little in-depth look at how my car looks like at car shows, so you guys can see exactly what other people around the Seattle area see, and you guys can let me know what you guys think as well. So let's go ahead and turn this into the show mode. So before I start opening up the trunk and opening up the hood, show you guys how I set that up, I just want to show you guys how the car looks like right here. This is the stance that it takes when it's at the car shows. Let me know what you guys think. I guess just let me know what you guys think about this whole build in general. Plastic dipped with custom pearl. And it is pretty low right there as well with the splitter. All right, so let's go ahead and look underneath the hood for the show mode. And I got the starlights going on right here. I also have mirrors right here so that it kind of just shows them that there's something else going on up on top there. Two mirrors right there and right here. But yeah, I got the full Kevlar, carbon Kevlar engine covers going on. I do want to get this in carbon Kevlar as well. If anybody wants to make me one for a pretty good, reasonable price, let me know. But yeah, this is how my underneath the hood looks like. I also have this thing right here, which helps me keep the hood down at a certain angle. So I just do that and just twist that, and then it just stays put. So if there's like any wind, or if I want to just set it down like lower, like I say right here, just gotta put this in, twist that, and it's good. So yeah, I don't really put my hood all the way up. I just leave it down like this, or maybe like open it up like a little bit more. But yeah, just so that it's like it creates like a little more darker environment for the starlights, and everybody can still see what's going on inside the engine bay as well. So let's go ahead and go into the interior. Pretty simple. I just have it nice and clean, and then of course I got the mirrors again right here and over there to show you guys that there are starlights on top right here as well. So one thing is that I installed these starlights before they had all those shooting stars and everything, all those cool things. So it just twinkles and it just like flashes and stuff like that. So if I could do it all over again, which I will not, I would put like the shooting stars and all the cool things that are features that they offer now. But yeah, I got my JDM table type of thing here, my wine bottle, and the cups still that go along with it. Diamond stitching, red interior carpet there. And yeah, just pretty simple and clean. But yeah, the thing that grabs attention is going to be the starlights that are on the ceiling right now, which is a pretty popular mod these days. So everyone's favorite and mine is my trunk setup here. So let's go ahead and get that set up. It does take me a little bit of time to set it all up, but I'll show you guys how I set it up and how it looks like. All right, so every morning of my car show, I got my 5-gallon bucket of water right here, and once I get to the car show, I empty this out into my so-called pond right here. That should be good enough for now. And then I always pack my fishes in my little, I don't know, my little container right here, and then pour those in. I usually have about 5 or 6 fishes, just so that if any of them are hiding, they'll probably at least see one, and then the people will see that there are fishes in here. All right, so this is the final trunk setup right here that I have for my car shows. So I got my starlights going on right here, as you guys can see, and then I got my lights for the back as well. I just keep that white. Then I got my light inside of my pagoda here. Of course, I got the pond right here. with a working fountain too. And then my little Zen garden right there. But yeah, let me just pull it out right here. You can see how everything looks like right here. And this right here, like I said earlier, this is like a crowd favorite. They see everything and it looks pretty cool until they see the fishes, and then that's what kind of like amazes them. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about my trunk setup right here. So let's take one final look around the whole car so you guys can see exactly how the car looks like during car shows. And I just went through the trunk with you guys. Here's another look for you guys. I guess they're having a party in the pagoda. Crazy monks. And but yeah, this is how it looks like right here. Interior. Got the starlights going on. Let me flip you guys so you can see all that. Just simple and clean up front. Got the car slammed. The front could go a little bit lower on the shocks or the bags, but my splitter is like almost on the ground right now. The rear could go a little bit lower as well, but then I wanted to match the front, so I just keep it like that. And here is under the hood, or the engine bay right here. Of course, you guys know I gotta get the starlights here too. Nobody really does this, the starlights on the hood. So if you guys see anybody doing this, let them know who did it first. Yep, this is how my car looks like during the car shows. So yep, this is how my car looks like at car shows, if you guys have not seen it yet. Sometimes I do wish that I could just come roll in and just have the hood closed, windows up, trunk down, but I do want to give the people who are coming to the car shows an experience as well. I want them to just say, hey, you know, I saw that Lexus that had the fish tank in the trunk, had a nice interior, had the starlights underneath the hood, just something that, you know, they could leave and say, hey, you know, I had a good time at the car show. You know, these promoters, they spend a lot of time hosting these car shows, so you know, I want to make it worth it for the people who are going, and I wanted to leave like a lasting impression as well. And hopefully they can find me on Instagram or YouTube. If you guys have not yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That'll help me out a lot. My goal this year is to make it to 5,000 subscribers. I don't want to be let down again. I wasn't able to make it to Wekfest this year, but maybe I can make it to 5,000 subscribers. I just need your guys' help. But guys, let me know what you guys think about my car show setup right here. Tomorrow I have a car meet that I'm going to. It's like a Cars and Coffee with car physics, and they have invited me out to go. It's not going to be as extravagant like this at the car meet tomorrow. It's just like a little car meet and like little Cars and Coffee. So I'm just going to go just to hang out. But now I got to take everything off, take the fish back home. I'll see you guys at the car meet tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I am on my way to the car meet, and you guys can hear I got my gang right in the back right here. They will be joining me today, giving my wife some time alone. She is really pregnant right now, so baby's probably going to be coming any day now. I guess it's God sending a message saying that I can't go to Wekfest because something else is going to happen. But stay tuned, because you guys are going to go with me when I go to the hospital. But first, let's go to this car meet. All right, so I just pulled up to the meet right now, and this is how I'm taking my kids around. Got them each in a cart right here, and we're gonna go and look at some cars. Pretty good turnout all here to support Gravity Coffee over there. So let's go ahead, take a look around. All right, so I'm going to take you guys on a quick walk around. My brother works at Winco, so he's here pushing the kids around. So I'm gonna take you guys around, and we just go and check out some of the cars right here. People checking out my car, so it's always appreciated. I'm pretty sure that they got some Gravity Coffee cups next to my car right here. Let me know what you guys think about my car. We'll just do a quick walk around so you guys can see some of the cars here. There are, I think, 2 other big car shows that are going on right now as well. So a lot of the turnout is probably, well, the potential turnout, they're all probably over there right now at the other car shows. But yeah, some of the buddies who are here supporting Gravity Coffee and car physics are all here right now. I'm pretty sure that some of these guys are going to head over to the other car shows that are going on too. I got invited, but I got other plans. I'm pretty sure that my wife is going to give birth today or tomorrow. That's I guess that's the godsend. We're sending me a message to not go to Wekfest because something else is going to happen. But this one here is pretty nice. All right, so car meet is over. Kids are having their snack right now. It's time to go home. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this short video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of the cars at the car meet. Cars just speeding by. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed some of the cars at the car meet, and hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing the car up close on how it looks like at the car shows. But I'm not sure if I'll go to the Wekfest tomorrow. I want to go. I want to go and support the friends that did make it in and see the cars that are there. And of course, if I go to Wekfest, I'll make a video about that. But right now, it's time to take the kids inside, put them to nap. So I guess I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to enjoy life and go slow.